Have you get a FRP logged phone of any US Samsung Android model? Here you can see this phone is logged due to FRP lock. Here in this video, I will show you how you can bypass this FRP lock and Gmail ID credential to switch on your Samsung Android smartphone of any series like Galaxy and F series, M series, J series, any series of Samsung Android smartphone. And if you have locked due to FRP, first of all you have to come on this page. Here you can see this phone is locked and you have to remember your Gmail ID and password. So don't worry at all, without any Gmail ID and password you can easily bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. Okay, firstly you will have to come to the starting page here. Now from here you have to make some changes. First of all you have to change your language from English India to English UK, because this FRP bypass is completely dedicated for US model Samsung phone. Okay, then after you have to tap on this start option. You have to follow all the instruction whatever I am showing here. Here you have to come on this page. Now here you have to tap on this setup manual. Now one more thing I will confirm you, that you have to make sure you have to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. So here you can see I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after again you have to come to the starting page here. From here you will get an option that will show here accessibility. You have to tap on this option. Now after that you have to tap on this option, that is talkback. Now here you have to change some setting option in this setting icon, and you have to follow all the steps what I am going to show you in this video. Okay. Now here you have to scroll down and come to the option that will set here reset to default setting, and here you have to reset all the setting from here. Now go to the back option. Here you have to again change here your language option. Select this English US, English UK, then go to the back. Now here you have to type a text shortcut, and here you have to type here in capital FRP bypass, and here you have to type a USSD, that is *#, and you have to tap on this add. Go to the back option here. Now go to the back, come to this page. Here you have to tap on this one. You have to tap on this next option. Before go to the next, from this page you have to connect your cable to the phone. Now go to the next, again next. You have to come to this page, then after go to the back and come to the starting page. Again you have to tap on this accessibility. Now the last setting you have to change in this page is, that is, you have to open this page. When you will tap here, you can see here you can't able to copy anything on this page, so go to the back option. All done. Go to the back. Now from here you have to tap on this emergency call, and here you have to dial *#0*#. You will get a such type of display. Here you have to tap on this. Now after that you will get a pass notification on your phone display. That means it's okay. Go to the back, again back, come on this accessibility again, tap on this one, go to the settings, talk back, go to the next, next, and finish. Done. Now after that, you have to come to the option that is this advanced setting. You have to go to the setting option, and here you have to tap on this one. You have to select here none. Then you have to check this option, go to the back, and all the thing has been done. Finish. Reset from here. Back. Allow from here. Select this language. Add, that is English. And you have to select this one. Go to the back. Again back. Now come to the starting page. From here you have to tap on this start option. Now unplug this cable, go to the next and agree. Here you have to select this setup manual. Make sure your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi. So here you can see this phone is already connected to the Wi-Fi. Then after you have to tap on this next option. Now tap on this one. Now here you have to type random. Here you will get this option. Here you can see you have to tap on this option. So again you have to go to the back to the starting page. Then after that you have to agree from here. Setup manual, tap on this next. Now select this don't copy. Now here you can see you are getting here a skip option where the Gmail ID and the password was asking. Now you are getting here a skip option. You can easily tap on this skip option to go to the next page. Make sure you use a new PIN pattern or password. Now it's a simple setup of your phone. You can easily do with your own. Script all the settings from here. You will get a pop-up there, all setup. Simply tap on this home. Agree. And you can see here all the thing has been done. You can see here the new pattern lock what I had applied is working or not. You can see that it's working. So thank you so much.